Hello Chris and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and in this video I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So I will start by looking at your front page. I can see that you have the Get a Quote, well you have careers, links to your social media accounts, email address, then you have a brief intro of your company. You are members of these associations, and then the location details and contact details information. In terms of amount of content, right now you have 377 words, and content is important because it's through content that Google can understand what websites are about, and also you are able to push through more relevant value intent keywords. Now, everything that you have in here is considered content. Let me have a look at how you're saving your images. And for example, you have it as team image, you could potentially target value intent keywords by saving those images with a keyword. We'll see what a keyword is. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So Wallis Concrete, these guys have 99 words on their front page, and Precast Houston, these guys have 257 words on their front page. So basically, although you have more, you can actually outrank them by adding in more relevant value intent keyword and sprinkle it with those keywords that I'm mentioning. So I came here to the Google search and I type in Precast Concrete Houston, and you see the first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic. You're actually running Google Ads at the moment, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. This section over here is the Google Business Profile, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. So always a very good idea to rank here, and to do so you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same and as in those. The name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And then you have the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, you need a website that is safe, that is responsive, and that has the relevant content. And you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and right now I am looking at the backend of your website, and I can see that there are 10 external websites directing traffic to your website through 47 links, and that is what a backlink is. Then we have Wallis Concrete. They have 35 external websites directing traffic through 206 links, and these guys, Precast Houston, Texas, these guys have 8 external websites directing traffic through 30 backlinks or 30 links. So it's important to have a look and revisit that backlink profile just to make sure that those links that you are getting are quality backlinks, and basically the quality and powerful backlinks are the ones that are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, because that's going to signal to Google that you are considered an authority in that particular topic, and Google is going to start ranking you at the top. That's the mechanism that Google has to identify and rank websites. Now, your website is being found for 76 organic keywords, and in this view I can see what these keywords are. The search volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So for example, just by searching Houston, I can see that Precast Concrete Houston has a search volume of 70 and you're in position 12. So it's going to be really hard to attract any traffic. Precast Concrete Houston TX has a search volume of 10 and you're in position 14. Let's have a look at Wallis Concrete. These guys are being found for 52 organic keywords, and in here the last scroll was the 18th of June. They're in the second position, and because of that they were able to drive or attract 9 visits to their website. And for this particular keyword, they are on the first position. They were able to attract 5 visits to their website. Concrete Culvert Houston, 30 searches per month. Culverts for Sale Houston, 20. Cast stone, well, Precast of Houston, Concrete Companies Houston. You would have to, yeah, the objective here is to identify what are those relevant bio intent keywords so that you can actually sprinkle your website with those particular keywords so that Google can find you for those. And then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top, outranking your competitors and being able to dominate the traffic, because it means that a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I hope that you like this video, and please feel free to use this information to actually rank and obtain, I mean, increase the traffic to your website. And don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.